Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're at Cars and Coffee again, so here's the latest episode. So, Cars and Coffee again this morning. Little Alfa. I think there's an Alfa. Let's have a look. I think we might have seen this one down at the Flinders. I think it was the Flinders event. Look at that thing there. Tell you what, it is a brisk morning here in Melbourne. Bloody wind is freezing. This must have been cold. There's a crowd of the regulars out again. We are a little bit early, so we'll see who else turns up. I think there is a bus down there, so we'll go take a look at that in a minute. Old Falcon. I do love these. Wayne absolutely adores them as well. Love the colour on that. Look at this old thing from the side. Look at that thing. Love it. Lovely little Karma gear. And an old bus. Let's take a look at this one. I'm guessing this is a 65 or something. Oh, that little thing. Now you probably don't see many of these. It is a Peugeot 309 GTI. You really don't see many of these around. Look at that. It's like... Hello. Good morning. I think there's a couple of spots down there. Okay, thanks, Scott.
Six-and-a-half-year restoration.
So this has had nuts, bolts, everything.
Every nut, bolt, washer.
Wow.
Friend of mine, Spencer Harrison.
Yeah.
Of Harrison's Triple R. That's his artwork.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's take a look inside as well, because this looks...
So that's the original interior.
The original, is it? Yeah.
Came out of the factory with.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I've been told it's one of 5 cars with the blue Madras plaid inserts.
That blue Madras. That is beautiful. Look at that there. She is immaculate.
Rowan from Scuttleworks put me up to order the fabric for me, and we had the inserts put in as per factory. Yeah.
Because that can't be an easy material to find either.
Can't be cheap either.
So before we move on from this glorious example, 18 only in Australia.
2 silver ones. The other silver one now lives in New Zealand.
Wow. Just it restored immaculately.
Thank you.
It looks like it came out of the showroom today.
So we finished it about nearly 5 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't show that age at all.
It doesn't come out often.
Yeah. I bet it doesn't. I bet it doesn't. Look at that. I love that plaid interior.
A lot of people helping me protect, including Porsche Centre Melbourne.
Oh, were they really helpful? Now, I have heard, and I know dealerships and manufacturers can get a bit of a bad name sometimes. However, I've heard Porsche Centre Melbourne are absolutely brilliant at helping people. I have heard that from a group of people.
I've never had
that
any
they've
problem.
been fantastic.
Yeah.
Like providing old photos, support, everything like that. And I think that's one of the nice things that helps the community with Porsche kind of continue, that dealers and the brand themselves are particularly good. And I know that's a bit of a Porsche plug. However, I've heard they've been brilliant with people.
Well, they're committed to keeping the legend going, you know.
Yeah, I have heard that from multiple people. Wow.
So this thing is just the same underneath, it's on top.
Yeah, I'd imagine it absolutely is. Just that engine bay. Thank you for bringing it down.
My pleasure.
So we're actually sat in the 74. These seats are lovely. Look at that. Back seat back there. Thing's immaculate. Like, underneath it's solid. There's no cracks on the dash. Like, restoration 5 years ago, but this is as it came out of the factory. The thing's immaculate. Oh, I just love those seats. Got a bit of a woolly kind of texture. They are lovely. It's immaculate. So just talking, and I don't know if we can pick that up, but it's 7,200 on the tacho, 300 kilometers an hour on the speedo. It was only this model and the 73 RS that had those dials.
Yeah, it's cool, aren't they?
Yeah. So this is an old Toyota Century. I guess it's an import, but I think there must only be a few of these floating around. And I think they were a phenomenally expensive car as well. Look at the wing mirrors on that. Look at those there. They're a massive car. I think they're like an old executive ambassador car. GTV. And then the Maseratis down here. I think we might have seen this one down here last time. Love these, look at that. I don't think we did. It might have been a Lamborghini one last time rather than the Maserati. Look at that. What a great morning out. I think I'm going to try and find another coffee. However, before that, that is James's 964 that we've covered on the channel previously. James is down here. It is a gem of a car, that one. So here we go, nice old Citroen wagon. Look at that. Look at the size of it. Interior through there. Look at the size of that thing. Another 911 we've not seen. Look at the fat tyres on that. Look at those. Big roll cage in the back. Nice setup there. That thing looks fantastic. That is brilliant. I'm surprised with those. Look at those. So here's some contrast. Big chunk of metal there. That interior is fantastic. Look at this. I love the windows as well. Like how they go. Look at that inside there. The old steam train. Look at that chunk. And then a little Ferrari next to it. I do like the yellow. My stinks in it as well. Look at that thing. Very, very nice. And then an old Cadillac. Look at the size of this thing. Interior is really nice. Oh, so big. Look at the size of that. Massive wings on the rear. Oh wow. Look at that. So for the JDM people, a little Supra here. Very nice car. Nice number plate on that as well. Looks really clean. That's very, very nice. And then a lovely little BMW here as well. Can't quite see, but I like the seats with the headrests in there. Just a really cool morning out. I want to say cool, absolutely freezing. An SL, probably the same owner as the Gullwing that was down here last time. Look at that. The engine. There's the dash. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We've got some work to do on the 356, so we're going to head off and do that right now. It's absolutely freezing down here, so we're going to head off with a coffee as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.